What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can change the region in Rocket League. For that the process is very simple. Change your casual and competitive region, select play from the menu, then select casual or competitive. Select the region button in the top right corner, select your preferred region or recommended. To change your tournament region, select setting from the main menu, select the gameplay tab. Select the tournament schedule region, drop-down menu, select the region. This setting can only be changed once every 24 hours. To change your private match region, you have to follow these steps. Select play from the main menu, select custom game, then select private match, then select create private match, then you have to select your preferred region or recommended. So what are some available regions? These are the list of the available regions in the Epic game. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel.